Got that. Thanks very much for giving us the calls. That's, of course, the market as of now. Let's look at some of the stocks. And we're talking about packaging companies because a lot of them have come under pressure. Look at what's happening to a Uflex or an Ester Industries. I mean, cuts between 3, 4, 5, 11% on Ester, actually. So lots of pressure. What's going on? Let's go across to Sonal with what seems to be bothering this entire space as a whole. Sonal?
Thanks a lot for that. Well, what happened in Q3 is a lot of supply that came in the packaging industry, and it reduced or made these spreads to come under pressure as well. And that's exactly what's seen in Q3 numbers across packaging companies as well. Let me start with Uflex, where it was a big loss that the company reported, and it was a surprise as well. So the revenues were flat at 3482 crore rupees. EBITDA was down 57%, leading to a margin compression of 1,000 basis points. And the company reported a loss this time around at 85 crore rupees versus profits of 300 crore rupees. They say that loss is due to currency devaluation that was seen by Egypt, and national foreign exchange losses due to currency fluctuations and devaluations were totaling to 236 crore rupees in this quarter itself. Additionally, the supply side issues continue to impact the company's margins. Ester Industries, a big fall in stock price today, revenues down 31%. The company has reported an EBITDA loss of 1.5 crore rupees and loss of 8.8 crore rupees. This compares with profits that the company reported in the year gone by. The EBIT loss was led by their polyester chips business, where it was a loss of 2 crore rupees versus EBIT of 40 crore rupees. Specialty polymers also saw a sharp decline in EBIT on a YOY basis. Cosmo first, another weak set. Revenues declined 5%, EBITDA is down 57%, margins at 8.7% versus 19.2%. Profits also down 56%. The company says that yes, there was excess supply which led to lower spreads. Demand also in some of the economies were lower, especially in the overseas markets. Contribution margin dropped below the sustainable levels for the industry overall. There was a one-time inventory loss because of raw material prices as well. And all these reasons is something which led to margin decline across the industry players.
All right, Sonal, thanks a lot for taking us through all of the earnings that came through from, these packaging companies that you were just talking about. We are going to get into a short break now, but on the other side, we'll get you a chat on the markets. We'll be joined by Devang Mehta of Centrum Wealth Management, so stay tuned for that conversation.